move towards the description of supplementary units. In supplementary units, two things are discussed. First one is radian and the second one is steradian. Let us move towards the definition of a radian. It is the plane angle between the two radii of a circle which cut off on the circumference and are equal in length to the radius of the circle. Just look at the diagram. So this one is a circle which is drawn on a plane, means it is two dimensional, x and y. Radian is the plane angle. Just concentrate on this between the two radii of the circle. These are the two radii of the circle. This is first radius. Look at the position of my cursor, and this one is second radius. So these are the two radii, and in between the two radii angle alpha, you can see angle alpha. This angle alpha is equal to the radian. So by drawing or by constructing two radii of the circle, it cuts off on the circumference of the circle. This one is the circumference of the circle, and it cuts off an arc on the circumference of the circle. This red line, this one is the arc of a circle. When we look at the length of this arc, it is just equal to the radius of the circle. So when an angle is between the two radii is made in such a way that it cuts off on the circumference on the circle and arc which is equal in length, this one red line, this red line is equal in length to the radius of the circle, then this angle alpha will be nominated as radian, and also it is termed as plane angle. Now moving towards steradian. Steradian is a solid angle, means it is a 3D angle. For its description, three-dimensional space means three coordinates x, y, and z are required. It is subtended at the center of a sphere by an area of its surface equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. Okay, again describing solid angle. It is the solid angles, means a three-dimensional angle. It requires three dimensions for its description, means x, y, and z. It is subtended at the center of a sphere. This one is a sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional space. You can take an example of a rubber ball. Rubber ball is a solid and 3D structure. Achha. Then at the center of a sphere by an area of its surface equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. Okay, look at the diagram for the description of a steradian. This is a sphere. You can here also see a sphere, which one is a solid object, and this solid angle is scooped out of it, and this shape is constructed here. So you can see here the area of the surface of the solid angle. This one, the area of the surface of the solid angle, which one is a 3D angle. This is equal to the squares of the radius. Squares of the radius of the sphere. You can see here that this one is the square of the radius of this one is the radius, and this is equal to the, you can see here that this one is the radius. When we take squares of the radius of the sphere, now this will become area of the surface of the solid angle. When this will happen, then this angle will become equal to steradian. Okay, I hope that you people may understand it clearly. Thank you.